Hello, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to look at the do until loop. To get started, let's define a variable called number as an integer because we need it. Then you assign number a value of 1. Now let's look at the syntax of a do until loop. It looks similar to that of a do while loop. So we are going to have do until, then the condition, let's say number greater than 10. Then the particular block of code you want to execute, and finally the keyword loop. So this is the syntax of a do until loop, similar to that of the do while loop. Now let's run through this bit of code and see what the logic is. Okay, so currently number is 1. Do until number is greater than 10. So we are saying that the loop should continue until it satisfies this condition. So it will keep doing until number becomes greater than 10. It means that when number is less than 10, the loop will execute. When number is equal to 10, the loop would execute. But if the number becomes greater than 10, then the loop breaks. It wouldn't execute. So when we run this, we should expect to get an infinite loop. The reason being that number is 1, which is 1 is greater than 10. We print number. We are not incrementing number in any part of this code. So number remains 1. Number will always forever remain 1, which is less than 10. So the loop will keep executing. Let's try that. So you can see that it's an infinite loop. Now let's increment number by 1. So I told you this is how you increment a particular number by 1. You can decide to increase by 2. Okay, so we want to increase by 1. In this case, number is 1, which is less than 10. The loop will execute, printing 1. Increment number to 2 now. So here number is greater than 10. So number becomes 2. So 2 greater than 10 is still less than 10. So it will execute. It will keep executing until number is equal to 10. Then it will execute for the very last time before it breaks, because the next increment number is going to be 11, and 11 is greater than 10. Okay, so let's run this. So this loop would execute 10 times. So we have 1 up to 10. So this is how all the very basis of do until loop. Now do until loop also has a different syntax, just as the do while loop. So any of them you use will be right. So we can also have do, then the condition would not come, but then we have the block of code only for the condition to come later. So we have these two syntax of a loop. They are the same, they do the same thing, but they have different syntax. So if I should remove this and you run, we should expect to get the same output. So from 1 up to 10. Perfect. So this is it for do until loops. Play around it, and then you get to learn more by yourself. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to my channel.